Guys, this is Ignis Gaming. I know I haven't made a video in a long time.
We're playing hide and seek with our dog.
We're playing hide and seek.
Hello guys.
So basically, how this is gonna go is
I'm gonna count.
two people are hiding, and he has to find them without trying to find them themselves, with the dog having to find them. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You?
Oh hell yeah.
You?
Yeah.
You? No. Okay, let's go.
1,
So you guys got to hide, but only in this back street.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hide somewhere else.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Looks like the dog already knows where to go.
19, 20. Come.
Okay, now Daisy, show us where to go. Where do you think they went? Okay, she already knows who went. Okay, she found him. Now let's go look for Deacon.
Do you know where's Deacon? Why is Deacon?
Let's look for Deacon. Do you know where he is? Does that box look suspicious?
Is there no money?
Daisy, does that box look suspicious? And yes, there was Deacon right inside of there. Good work. Now it's his turn to have dog. How the hell do you fit? And now you two hide. Quick thing.
20.
Okay. That's kind of retarded spot, you know. You're hiding in someone's garden, cool. And he's hiding in the same garden Manta's hidden. Okay, can my dog find them? Come on, look for them. Okay, they're not in this garden, that's for sure. Where are they? Where do you think they are? Huh? Maybe there? Ooh, I think you can't smell them. What? Okay, she found you, so get your face out.
Ah, Daisy. Why are you looking for me? Go for Deacon next time. Just show Deacon. Deacon, come out. She won't find him.
Oh, there we go. There's a found Deacon.
Right, pass this to the dog, yo. Now let Deacon proceed.
And now it's Deacon.
I didn't get caught. Here. Count to
20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Baba.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Hello.
Here I come.
Okay, Daisy, I think she already knows where Deacon is. I think she was staring at him throughout the whole. I think she stared at him while he was there, so. Come on, let's go. Where do you think he is, Daisy?
Daisy! Stop eating that.
Did you notice something? Did you notice something? I think it's something right there. Come on.
This is the last turn, by the way.
Yeah, it's the last one because I don't want to make the video too long. Lol. Yeah, isn't that? Don't you think it would be nice?
Come on, Daisy. Come on, Daisy. Can you find him? He's in the box.
How the?
He's in the box. Look, they found him.
Yeah, he's in the box.
He ripped it.
He ripped it because he's too fat.
Alright, guys.
Get out.
Stand up the video now. How long was it?
3 minutes, man.
3 minutes. That's cool, bro.
And it looks like I should say goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you, man, bro.
Say something. Say something. Okay, this has been Ignis Gaming, guys, and I'll see you later.